Here's the other side of the VU Center. Parking lot flooded. Water, good foot or two up the building. More certain parts. Someone left their bike. Again, this is the parking lot. Someone left their car. There's the river. There's a wall supposedly there. Water pouring over the wall. Just pouring. All the way down the street. All the way down the street. And all the way down the street. All the way across the field. Field full of water. Brand new building under construction. Pouring over the wall. Just flowing in. You can tell by the flow of the water that it hasn't crested. It's still filling. If the police officer that came back and been chasing me out of here all day long, may come back and put me in cuffs. So I better go.